Welcome to the 10th video session of the chapter Control and Coordination. In this module, we will be learning about the different types of trophic movements. Trophic movements, as we had learned earlier, they are the movements which are exhibited by the plants which are dependent on growth. And plants respond to stimuli by growing in a particular direction, which makes it appear as if the plant is moving. Trophic movements are directional movements and the response is shown in the direction of the stimuli. There are two types of trophic movements, positive trophic movements and negative trophic movements. If the plant part is responding to the stimuli by growing towards the stimuli, it is called as positive trophic movements. Whereas if the plant is growing away from the stimuli, it is called as negative trophic movement. So trophic movements are of two types, positive and negative. Depending upon the nature of stimuli, there are 5 different types of trophic movements. Phototrophism, when the stimulus is light. Geotrophism, when the stimulus is gravity. Hydrotrophism, when the stimulus is water. Chemotrophism, when the stimulus is chemicals. And last, thigmotrophism, when the plants respond to touch stimuli. Let us see in detail about each. Phototrophism. Photo means light. The movement of a plant part in response to light stimuli is called as phototrophism. Shoots or stem, they respond by growing or bending towards the light stimuli. Shoots grow towards the light stimuli or in the direction of the light stimuli. Thus, shoots exhibit positive phototrophism as the growth is in the direction of stimuli, whereas roots respond by growing or bending away from the light stimuli, thus exhibiting negative phototrophism. In this picture, we can see a potted plant which is placed near a window, which is the only source of light. After a few days, we can see that the shoot bends towards the window or the light source, thus exhibiting positive phototrophism. Whereas roots grow away from the direction of light, thus exhibiting negative phototrophism. Geotrophism. Geo means gravity. The movement of a plant part in response to gravity stimuli is called as geotrophism. Roots of a plant grow downwards or towards the force of gravity, thus exhibiting positive geotrophism, whereas shoots grow upward or against the force of gravity, thus exhibiting negative geotrophism. Next, we will learn about hydrotrophism. Hydro means water. The movement of a plant part in response to water stimuli is called as hydrotrophism. Roots always grow towards the water stimuli, thus exhibiting positive hydrotrophism. Let us study hydrotrophism from this picture. In the first half of the picture, we can see a plant which is growing in moist soil and the root is growing straight. Whereas in the second half of the picture, the plant is growing in dry soil and a source of water is kept or is present at one side, and the roots grow towards the source of water, exhibiting positive hydrotrophism. Next, we will learn about chemotrophism. Chemo means chemicals. The movement of a plant part in response to chemical stimuli is called as chemotrophism. Chemotrophism is exhibited during fertilization in a flower. Fertilization, as we know, is a fusion of the male gamete and the female gamete. The male gamete is present inside the pollen grain, which after pollination reaches the stigma, and the female gamete is present inside the ovule, which is present inside the ovary. The pollen germinates to produce a pollen tube, and the pollen tube carrying the male gamete travels down the style and reaches the ovule. And finally, the male gamete fuses with the female gamete. The growth of the pollen tube is guided by chemicals which is released by the egg cells, and this is called as chemotrophism, that is movement of a plant part in response to chemical stimuli. Last is thigmotrophism, the directional movement of a plant part in response to touch stimulus is called as thigmotrophism. In thigmotrophism, the stimulus is touch. For example, the plant tendrils climb around any support which they touch. Tendrils are present in climbers. We know climbers are plants with very weak stems that need a support to grow. Climbers have tendrils, and these tendrils, when they come in touch with a support, they start to cling onto the support and help the climbers to grow. This response of a plant part in response to touch stimuli is called as thigmotrophism. So, dear children, in this module, we have studied about trophic movements, which are growth related movements, and the direction of response is dependent upon the direction of stimuli. We studied 5 different types of trophic movements: phototrophism, geotrophism, hydrotrophism, chemotrophism, and thigmotrophism. Thank you.